Hi Weeders, this is Elle, your customer success manager from the Weet team, and I just wanted to invite you along to check out how you too can make a quick and easy video tutorial using Weet. All right, so now we're gonna learn some basics about Weet so you can make your own video tutorial. So this is my Weet homepage. It's going to list every Weet I've ever recorded or that's been shared with me, and they'll all be in chronological order. So here I can see who has viewed my Weets, how many views they have, and then when the Weet was created. I can copy the link to share it instantly. It'll be instantly copied to my clipboard. And also I've got this little menu where I can update, duplicate, share, and delete my Weet. So next we're gonna click into a Weet and see what our options are. All right, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you click into a Weet from your homepage. So before I dive into this, I want to point out to you that you can get rid of this little video sticker right here. Sometimes it blocks information you need. So I can either double click that and it will go away. I can also use this little image of like a little guy down here, and that will make that appear and reappear. So I highly recommend you do that to see the information behind what we call the sticker. So I want to show you that we've got our views and our viewers over here again. When I click on the little three dots in the bottom right, I can download, duplicate, or delete my Weet. If I click the little arrow, that gives me sharing options. So I can copy the link, embed it into a web page or somewhere else. And I can also share it right to different social media outlets. And I also want to show you what this little edit button does. So the edit button gives us the power to add to our Weet. We can delete sections, drag and drop and rearrange sections. So when I click into here, I have the option to have a background. Right now we've got the sky, but if we want to change that, we can totally change that. Perfect. I can share my screen if I want. So that gives me the option to share my entire screen, just a window or just a tab. And I can also do webcam only. You guys saw this in the intro to this exact video. So really quick, I want to go over here to this little menu. So the little magic wand here is going to give us filter and virtual background options. If I click this little camera button, it will actually toggle my camera off, and then I can toggle it back on again. This will toggle my audio on and off. And lastly, we've got this little gear down here. I have my different audio and video input that I can choose from, my capture quality, anywhere from low to high, and also my default transcript language. So it's always going to default to US English. And then I can choose to have little notifications or not, either sound or visual, to go off 30 seconds before my Weet will end. All right, so next we're gonna dive into some tips and tricks for making your own Weet video tutorial. All right, everybody, I wanna give you a few tips and tricks for making your own video tutorial using Weet. So one thing you're really gonna like is that if you click up in the top left corner, you're gonna see that all of your sections can be titled. So if I wanna jump right to the information that applies to me, that's important to me right now, that is nice and organized up here. So here, I'll click on this section. So it'll take me right to the third section, and I can just start playing from there. Also, about sections, when I hit this edit button, you're gonna notice that your recorded sections populate down below. I can actually drag and drop these. So I can rearrange them. I can hit this little X. It will ask me if I want to delete the section. You can undo this, so that's why it asks you. So be careful with that. And then also, this is where I can name the different titles of my Weets. So let me mute that. There we go. So I can just click into there and title my different sections of my Weet. So that is some tips and tricks for making your own video tutorial using Weet. Thank you very much. Hello, Weeders. Thank you so much for checking out this quick demo on how to make your own video tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful. And if I can ever assist you in any way, please let me know. And happy weeding, everybody. Thank you.